你好吗？你好吗？休息耶，你好吗？ Mommy is crazy for this Chinese drama. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. We are now up north in Bellingham, dropping off our son to school, and now we're just sitting back and relax in this parking lot. We're debating if we should actually, I'm just kidding, but we came to park one of our boats here. I'm kidding. Maggie, we're here to just relax and wait for Mars as he's finishing up in his class, but in the meantime, somebody's finishing up her online course too. She's taking Chinese drama. Those Ifaitarkara opera. It's a nice view. Looking at all these boats. See? All you gotta do is just imagine that you own one of these boats and just thinking about going out in the ocean and just enjoy. Look at all these boats. There's a lot. Yeah. What should we do now? Should we go back? Huh? Mommy wants to go back. Addicted. She's so addicted. Drama. Anyway, I think we're just gonna sit back, enjoy this boring moment, and then we're gonna head back. It's either that or we go pick up Mars and then start driving back to Linwood. I think I might cook something today, just for fun. I brought my coffee mug because we started driving early this morning. So a little background story of our trip today is we came up here last night to drop off Mars. Mars was not happy about his roommates, that college life. Everybody's just having a party. There's no time to rest, and Mars did not like that. So we had to come back and then pick him up and then drive back home. And now we're up again, first thing in the morning, 8 o'clock or 8:30, and we started driving. And good news is he's back on campus. Bad news is we have to wait because he doesn't want to stay back. Or he doesn't want to, he has to figure something out. Talk to the office to see if he can get transferred to a different place. I think we're gonna take a pause for now and then we'll talk later. Peace out.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Excuse Miss Siri, she's just doing her job, just giving directions. And my videographer is pretty stiff and taking
At the
control.
light, turn left onto F Street.
All right, if you say so.
That's Mars Storm.
Huh?
Inaran Mars Storm.
You cannot be saying that's Mars Storm if you're not gonna show it on the camera. Like, how do you expect them to see that? Oh, this is very confusing. Yeah. Get it, but you're not supposed to be doing that. The driver. Alright. I hope you guys are enjoying the view of Bellingham. For those of you
At the next
who...
light, turn left.
Excuse me, I'm talking. Anyway, for those of you who haven't seen or have not been touring Bellingham, this is a perfect opportunity for you to be seeing what we're seeing at this moment. And then, so
At the light, turn left onto DuPont Street.
Okay, got you, I got you. In half a mile. Alright guys, it's a mystery place that we're headed to. I don't know where Siri is taking us to, but I hope it's a new place, or it's a good place that she's taking us to.
In half a mile, take a slight left turn onto Northwest Avenue.
Okay. I'll take it. Oh wait, do I go straight or turn right or left, or I'm not, that's not too good. Turn straight. Oh, I turned straight. All right, I turned straight.
Take a slight left turn onto Northwest Avenue.
All right, sliding to the
In
left.
about 1.5 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
On the roundabout. Okay. Why are you so stiff, girl? You know you can breathe, right? Yeah. It's like you're very nervous. That's just all you're doing is you're holding it. The video will do itself. Its own part. All right. Stop. Igeje resapuka pinch me. We have to stop. We porisa akauroi. Aru tikit ngarpata esesega erapu. Meke we stopper koi we ave stopper ko. Stopper ko. Si pucar por fin a realizar video radio. She really acts like she knows what she's doing. Mira, oh porisa, pull over. Why'd you stop? Stop it, go. Pull over. Good. Patawabu.
Small town.
It is a small town. It's a small town. I think this video is for my relatives in Beria. This is your chance for you to see America.
Speak once.
Yay, America. See, very nice. You don't have to buy your ticket to come to America. Yeah, actori. If now never peria katot Afrika kera. Atskara was rakan. Sare, si buena America. Ira cheki pa free. Awa free kura never America.
Filipino restaurant.
Wait, cause
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second
I'm
exit.
talking to my relatives video. Hey, Sarah. Sarah, purere meron ticket ko purere Amerika. Ja, sige po. Waarvoor nga kura Amerika? Here, ik ga kramen. Kata na TV. Ira po tayo wafu kulfitsire Amerika. I'm showing it to you guys so you guys can also kunna gawa ko na type. No, never tayo YouTube. And you're seeing what we're seeing right now. Uh-oh. What the hell for stop period? What? Why? What happened? Where? No, they did not. Okay, there's an accident right there. That's why. Oh, no.
At the next light, turn left.
That's funny. So the cop, okay, I feel sorry for that person. So the cop actually stopped or pulled out because of there's an accident, but the car that was in front of us, she probably thought that the guy was trying to get her to stop. And then the policeman walked out and he's like, "Oh no, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Turn left onto Eliza.
I'm here for the accident."
Next right into the parking lot.
Oops, sorry. My bad, Siri. I wasn't paying attention. All right, so turn left. Okay.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Absolutely. You know, when we're hungry, we must obey you. We must obey what you say, Siri.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Thank you very much. Alright, guys. We just want to keep you company, but we're here to eat because we're hungry. We'll see you guys later, okay? We're going to put you guys down for
Arrived.
a little bit. Right now, we don't know where we're going. We're just like basically just driving around just to look at these places, but... Oh, where are those pots? So mommy's looking at places. I'm looking for a gas station because we're almost out of gas. On Vernon. I'm still up north, a little further down from Bellingham. The goal was to actually look for lakes or water where we can just enjoy. Pumping gas right now. Gotta go to the other side. I need gas. Dad, you scared me, man. It's cold. Okay. All right. Now we are on a trail going out to, I don't know, maybe going out to the ocean. Look. We have a small ocean. This is what we're after. See? Oh, good. Sige, baru rumot nga. I don't know. We're just out here just to check out these places, but it's, see, like that's an open field right there, and then yeah, but it's just me and my girlfriend, me and mommy. We're just here to see what's here to offer. Oh, I have to go back. Wait. No, I'm just, cause oh, that's why, cause it's following you. There's people. Oh, hi, doggy. Oh, anyway, so yes, we're doing the American style, just exercising. Ngeri ke bicar ba yek arpi are pernah vertel met Steven I'm Lily, I've got to check. I've got to babysitter the cage na bigay. Hey, Sarah, check ma. I thought we were like really here to see the ocean. But mate, this is the ocean too. This guys, look. Yaran. Run you very good. Before now that I fit again. Yeah, watch it. You know why? We're just gonna call it a day and give up and head back because it's. Okay. All right. I think we've finally made up our decision and I think we're gonna head back. Yes, I think we're gonna head back because it's not Luz Muercas. There's nothing to see over here. It's gonna be exciting to come and hang out over here, but no. But there's one special thing going on right now after this. Since we don't have anything to see over here, we still have leftover food, and then we'll just go and enjoy eating. Well, that's why you keep walking too fast. I'm like, what's going on? Okay, she doesn't want to be part of the video. That's okay. Siguro, new safar po nasa po rin si pag na baba. Okay. We're heading back. I don't think we're gonna waste our gas to look for more places because I think it's not, or maybe we just don't know where to go. Yeah. Dapat to don't why you keep hiding?
Okay, fake.
No. Why do you keep
Amor.
Huh? Okay. So what are you now? This is a good time for me to say, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to do that. Like and share, If you haven't seen our old videos, or the videos of weddings, videos of church function, just videos of lots of food and just family time, feel free to go back and watch. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, share, like, and subscribe. Yariba, you home, huh? Come. Sometimes I forget that my wife knows how to speak Chinese because she's now very addicted to the Chinese drama. So sometimes I have to speak Chinese to her. But yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you want to go back and check out our other videos, or yeah, just the other videos, go ahead. Make sure you share this to your family. Yeah. Yep. All right. I want to go back home so I can cook up something. I have something in mind. Since the weather is getting colder and colder, and so it's probably good to cook something soupy, or you know. Later. Bye-bye. All right, fellas. Some leftovers from IHOP this morning. These people actually enjoy just walking in this place. A good place to walk their dogs. Okay. Dried tomato.
Chưa quả là nè.
Oh. Bacon. That's good. Mommy, can I use your apron?
Yeah.
Did you just spit in this?
No, I didn't spit in that. Yeah.
Thank you.
I didn't spit in it because kamu become na mga nastasyon.
Okay. The food was good. The walk was short. It was boring too. Now it's time to head back. Go cook up my beef. My spare ribs. Or my short ribs. I love me short ribs. In this cold season, perfect time to cook those short ribs. Thank you. See you guys in the Carter. Hi. How's school today?
Good.
Good. What are you eating?
Chicken strip.
Huh?
Chicken strip.
Yeah, okay, okay. Where's Elston?
Oh, sir.
Okay, okay. We're gonna go see Elston. Elston, we're gonna see if these guys are studying. Bam, bam.
How? Oh. Hello.
I'm eating. Don't let me.
Oh man.
Come on, man. I'm eating.
What about you, dude? Yeah?
Say your name.
Say your name.
I did not know you were filming.
Huh?
I did not know you were filming.
I was
Hello,
filming.
guys.
Yeah. I'm trying to finish up the video so I can wrap it up and
Good
then
afternoon. Good afternoon.
then
We just
continue
got back-
tomorrow.
We just got. What's tomorrow?
Well, because I just have one boring video and then I'm going to post it and then I'll continue tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Welcome to another new video. We just got back from school not too long ago. We just finished eating.
Chicken strip, baby.
School was good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow or see you guys whenever we pick up the camera again. Don't forget to check out our merch in the description below.
Okay. Where's Austin?
In the path.
Okay. Got anything to say? Yeah? Yeah?
Say something.
What about you, Nash? You want to say something?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. That's it for today. We'll pick it up again tomorrow. Yes. Like and subscribe. Peace out.